Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to start learning Spanish in the easiest and most fun way possible. Don't worry if you don't know anything yet. We will learn together step by step. I'll say the sentence in English first, and then I'll say it in Spanish. You can repeat after me. Are you ready? Let's start. 1. Hello. Hola. 2. Good morning. Buenos días. 3. Good evening. Buenas noches.
4. How are you?
¿Cómo estás? 5. I am good. Estoy bien. 6. What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? 7. My name is Anna. Me llamo Ana. 8. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto.
9. Where are you from?
¿De dónde eres? 10. I am from the United States. Soy de los Estados Unidos. Now let's try something a little more fun. Imagine this. You're in a beautiful cafe in Spain. Let's learn how to order a coffee. 11. I want coffee, please. Quiero café, por favor. 12. How much is it? ¿Cuánto cuesta? 13. Thank you. Gracias. 14. You're welcome. De nada. Let me share a little joke to keep it fun. Why don't skeletons fight each other? Because they don't have the guts. Now in Spanish, ¿por qué los esqueletos no luchan entre ellos? Porque no tienen agallas. See? Simple and fun. Let's keep going with more useful phrases for beginners. 15. Excuse me. Perdón. 16. I don't understand. No entiendo. 17. Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés? 18. Yes, a little. Sí, un poco. 19. I speak English. Hablo inglés. 20. I don't speak Spanish. No hablo español. Now let's talk about family. Family words are essential in any language. 21. Mother. Madre. 22. Father. Padre. 23. Sister. Hermana. 24. Brother. Hermano. 25. Family. Familia. And how about learning some basic verbs? 26. To eat. Comer. 27. I eat. Yo como. 28. To drink. Beber. 29. I drink. Yo bebo. 30. To go. Ir. 31. I go. Yo voy. Let's imagine you are at a market in Mexico. Here are some helpful phrases. 32. I want apples. Quiero manzanas. 33. I want water. Quiero agua. 34. How much is this? ¿Cuánto es esto? 35. I like this. Me gusta esto. Do you know what the word please can do? It makes everything polite. When someone serves you food, say, 36. This is delicious. Esto está delicioso. 37. I don't like it. No me gusta. 38. I need help. Necesito ayuda.
39. Where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño?
A quick tip. Spanish nouns have genders. For example, the house is la casa, and the car is el coche. Feminine words often end in A, and masculine words often end in O. Isn't that interesting? 40. The house. La casa. 41. The car. El coche. 42. The book. El libro. Now let's learn numbers. Numbers are fun and easy. 43. 1. Uno. 44. 2. Dos. 45. 3. Tres. 46. 4. Cuatro. 47. 5. Cinco. 48. 6. Seis. 49. 7. Siete. 58. Ocho. 51. 9. Nueve.
52. 10.
10. Great job! Now, let's imagine you're shopping for clothes. Here are some phrases to use. 53. I want this shirt. Quiero esta camisa.
54. Do you have shoes? ¿Tienen zapatos?
55. This is too expensive. Esto es muy caro.
56. Can I try it on?
¿Puedo probármelo? How about some directions? 57. Where is the hotel? ¿Dónde está el hotel? 58. Turn right. Gira a la derecha. 59, turn left. Gira a la izquierda. 60, go straight. Sigue recto. Don't forget to practice every day. And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. They are part of learning. 61, the train station. La estación de tren. 62, the airport. El aeropuerto. 63, where is the bus stop? ¿Dónde está la parada de autobús? 64, how do I get there? ¿Cómo llego ahí? Let's learn some days of the week. 65, Monday. Lunes. 66, Tuesday. Martes. 67, Wednesday. Miércoles. 68, Thursday. Jueves. 69, Friday. Viernes. 70, Saturday. Sábado. 71, Sunday. Domingo. Now let's learn some common adjectives. 72, big. Grande. 73, small. Pequeño. 74, happy. Feliz.
75. Sad.
Triste. 76, beautiful. Hermoso. How about some colors? 77, red. Rojo. 78, blue. Azul. 79, green. Verde. 80, yellow. Amarillo. 81, black. Negro. 82, white. Blanco. Let's finish with some helpful travel phrases.
83. Can you help me?
¿Puedes ayudarme? 84, I need a taxi. Necesito un taxi.
85. How far is it?
¿Qué tan lejos está?
86. What time is it?
¿Qué hora es? 87, I'm lost. Estoy perdido. Finally, let's learn some ways to say goodbye in Spanish. 88, goodbye. Adiós. 89, see you later. Hasta luego. 90, see you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. 91, have a good day. Que tengas un buen día. And let's end with some encouraging words in Spanish to keep you motivated. 92, you can do it. Tú puedes hacerlo. 93, don't give up. No te rindas. Or keep trying. Sigue intentándolo. 95, you're doing great. Lo estás haciendo muy bien. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to practice a little every day. And soon you'll be speaking Spanish with confidence. Please don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you next time. Hasta luego y gracias por aprender conmigo.